What's up, guys, in the great state of Tennessee, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. A little weekend getaway with my beautiful wife up here in the mountains. School's fixing to kick off. Deer season's fixing to kick off. We're going to kick it off on August the 15th with DB Bar D Outfitters, owner Jason Davis in the low country of South Carolina. Cannot wait. It's going to be a wonderful time. We went to Cades Cove yesterday evening, seen some monster bucks, got the heart pumping just a little bit. Cannot wait to get in the woods and try to lay down one of these big whitetails. The bows are coming out of the case. The guns are coming out of the case. Want to give a shout out to Jason Davis, the owner of DB Bar D Outfitters. What a awesome man he is. If you're looking to go trout fishing, bear hunting, deer hunting, give him a call, and I'll put his contact in this little video at the end of it. But I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless you, and know that Jesus is the reason for every season. God bless you.